What we'll be using today is the DeWalt 18 volt. I've got the 3/16 Craftsman screwdriver. It's flat. Got the ratchet with a 10 mil socket on it. And then down here, got a package of Big Brock's brand number 10 by 24 by 1 1/4 bolts. And then down here is the actual addition to the welding cart. Is going to be an Everbuilt magnetic tool holder. There's a picture of generally what it's supposed to do, and let's get to work. See how she turns out. Gloves are usually a good thing. Clean those up a little bit with a rat tail, should be good. Well, drill won't go on. Now, the tip doesn't have enough magnetic properties to stick. I was hoping it might in the trigger, but it's not going to, so I'll have to figure out another way around that right now. But as you can see, this is going to work pretty good, and you know, it only sticks out 3/4 of an inch or an inch on the side. So it doesn't make it much thicker than it was to begin with. That's one of my #1 concerns, is increasing the thickness. You know, the total width of this cart too terribly much, and I really don't want to do that. So, seeing what I can get done. Hope you guys enjoyed video 2 of the welding cart.